Houseplants have always been a delightful addition to our homes, offering a touch of nature and tranquility. However, maintaining them can sometimes be challenging, especially for those with busy lifestyles or less green thumb experience. Enter SmartyPlants, an innovative solution designed to make plant care almost foolproof, ensuring your indoor plants thrive without constant attention. SmartyPlants is a revolutionary system that integrates sensors, artificial intelligence, and automated watering to create an optimal growing environment for houseplants. Developed by the Berlin-based startup Neoplants, SmartyPlants combines advanced technology with natural plant care needs. The system includes a smart pot equipped with sensors to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and light levels, and an app that provides real-time feedback and care instructions. The core of the SmartyPlant system is its sophisticated sensor technology. These sensors are embedded in the soil and the plant pot, continuously collecting data on the plant's environment. The data is then processed by the system's AI, which uses algorithms to analyze the plant's needs and provide precise care instructions. The app connected to the system offers notifications and tips, helping users understand when to water their plants, adjust light conditions, or take other necessary actions. In addition to monitoring, SmartyPlants includes an automated watering system that can be adjusted based on the plant's specific needs. This system ensures that plants receive the right amount of water, preventing both overwatering and underwatering, common issues that often lead to plant failure. Currently, SmartyPlants is in its early stages, with plans to expand availability soon. The system is already generating excitement among gardening enthusiasts and tech-savvy consumers. Early reviews and pilot testing indicate that the system is highly effective, making plant care significantly easier and more efficient. The concept of SmartyPlants taps into the broader trend of smart home devices, integrating seamlessly with existing smart home ecosystems. Similar to other smart gadgets, it aims to reduce the guesswork and labor involved in maintaining a healthy and vibrant indoor garden. As noted in recent tech reports, systems like SmartyPlants not only enhance plant health, but also enrich the user experience by making plant care more accessible and enjoyable. Thank you. If you want to read more about it, I have given links to a few websites in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch up with you in another exciting video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.